Missing Fluent from conversion in GA4? No worries. In this tutorial, I will show step by step how to track Fluent from submission with enhanced conversion using GTM and GA4. Navigate to Google Tag Manager. Now we create a custom HTML tag. That's why move on tags, new tag configuration, custom HTML. In our Facebook free support group, in the pinned post contains the listener code. You can take it if you want. Let's copy this code and paste here. Then triggering initialization all page. Name the tag. Then save. Now preview. Must be enter here website URL. Then connect. Navigate to the page where our Fluent form is installed. Submit the form. Move on Google Tag Manager preview mode. Then continue. Here we see our Fluent form submit event. If we move on datalayer, here we see from submit event and from ID as well user data. Back to Google Tag Manager. Now we will create variables. From user defined variables, new variable configuration, then datalayer variable. Back to Google Tag Manager preview mode and copy from ID. Then paste here. Name the variable. Then save. Now we will create variable for user data. New variable configuration, datalayer variable. Back to Google Tag Manager preview mode. Here we see the user data inside the inputs. So take inputs. To access this user data, use dot. Then we will take at first name. Let's copy this and paste here. Name the variable. Then save. Same way for last name. New variable configuration, datalayer variable. Paste here. Then variable name. Then save. Same way for email, subject and message. Our all variable has created. Now we will create a track trigger to send from submission data to GA4. So move on tags, new, tag configuration, Google Analytics, Google Analytics GA4 event. Paste here GA4 measurement ID. For this GA4 measurement ID, navigate to GA4 account admin, then data stream, click on container and copy this measurement ID, then paste here. If you have already created a GA4 measurement ID variable, click on plus icon, then select GA4 measurement ID variable, then event name, move on event parameter, add parameter, event parameter should be from ID, first name, last name, email, subject and message. Now select value that we created previously for from ID. Select value from ID. First name, select value first name. Same way for last name, email, subject and message. Then triggering, click on plus icon, trigger configuration, call a bit and select custom event, then event name, name the trigger, then save, also name the tag, then save. Let's go preview and check our setup work properly or not. Let's submit the form again. Back to Google Tag Manager preview mode, then continue. Here we see our form submit event and our tag fired. Let's check if GA4 is received data properly or not. Select the event. Here we see our all parameter receive GA4 properly. Also we check from GA4 debug view, navigate to GA4 account admin. Inside the data display, debug view. Also here everything is good and we are happy with our work. Back to Google Tag Manager and submit our work. Name the version, then publish. Let's quickly summarize what we did. Create a custom tag with listener code, preview and tested Fluent from submission, create datalayer variables and create GA4 event tag trigger to send from data. Also verified data in GA4 debug view, then published. Our Fluent from stacking enhanced conversion with GTM and GA4 is done. Alhamdulillah.